Your head on my chest, slow breath, matching mine. Curtains sway like they confess, heavy hidden line.
Bare feet from the towels, you hum that old refrain. I trace circles on your shoulder, like drawing your name. You ask if I'm staying, as if I could leave. Every heartbeat saying, you're the air I breathe. Stay with me under this warm rain, like a night wash over our old pain. If the world falls quiet, let it fade.
I just want your heartbeat louder than a heartbreak.
Stay with me
Under warm rain. Tea gone cold on the table.
We forgot the J,
Drink too loud, still scoring.
in the way you think.
You're loud, sudden thunder, under.
Miss off the gate, shy. I get dropped on the way you look me in the eye. You say you feel fragile, I say take my hands. We can dance through the worry, trip and still stay with me
Under this
warm rain. Let the night wash over our old pain. If the world falls quiet, let it fade.
I just want your heartbeat louder than a heartbreak.
Stay with me under warm rain.
If the lights burn out, we'll still find our way. Counting wrinkles on your shoulder to the break.